Hello guys! For today's video, we're going to...
Buli.
Yes, we're going to visit our farm since it's been a long time that we are not able to go there and visit our plants there in our farm. Yeah, that's not really a farm. It is so big. It's just a little, so that's not really called a farm. Yeah, so we're going there and let's find out what we are going to do there in our farm lot. Alright, let's go!
See you guys.
See you! We are all geared up going to our farm lot together with my mom. Hi mom. Are you ready to go to the farm lot? It's so hot today. It's actually 12 in the afternoon already. Who the hell goes to the farm at 12 o'clock, right? So, yay! Ta-da! Look at what we've got. I mean, with what we bring. We bring with us our water source because it's so hot in there. We bring sap and seedlings to plant as well. What are these seedlings, Mom?
Jackfruit.
Yeah,
Jackfruit. And a couple of lanzones. Seedlings to plant. Hope they will grow up nicely. And also, I don't know what kind of this one. Anyway, sugar apple. I don't know. Ano custard apple tree.
Alright, that's our seedlings there. We are going to plant it there in our farm lot. Because it's been months already that it's just there in our garden, in our house. That's it. Are you ready to conquer the hotness of the weather today, mother?
Yeah.
Alright, she's ready. Now we're heading on to our farm at Barangay Banga, Buli Bio 160 starting here. Our trip will take us 30 to 40 minutes, more or less, going to our farm lot. And thanks to the road here, it is accessible and it's cemented. It's like farm to market kind of road. Here we are, guys. This is the view here at the top of our farm lot. So there you can see. There, can you help? So there you can see Bio 160. Now let's start walking going down there because our farm lot is way far from here and it's very hot today. Here my mom complaining we'll go faster because it's hot. Now let's go walk and walk until we get there in our point of destination. Yes, it's so hot and at the same time we get to exercise, but it's really exhausting, guys. Exhausting because it's been a long time that I haven't walked this long. So bear with me, guys. I'm so inactive lately. We're here at the farm. It's so hot. Thanks. Let's go. Look at this. That's Charlie. Hi, love. Hi, Charlie. That is good. Yes. Let's go to our farm. Charlie, say hi. Okay, we're going there now. This is not the original way when we get here. Super excited. What, Charlie? Now let's walk towards our lot here in the farm. It's been a long time that we have not able to come here, so it's like a jungle already now. Our adventure of finding a cassava starts right here, me leading the way. That's me and my mama there taking off the weeds. Actually guys, letting this cassava grow takes up about more than or less than a year. More cassavas coming right up, and that's me also getting some cassava. That's Charles over there trying to pull that cassava too, and there my baby also being some cassava. We're actually like challenging ourselves to find more cassavas. Wow, that's me in action. Sip again, girl. Actually, guys, doing this all over and over again for about an hour, it is really exhausting, guys. Imagine our farmers really took a long time harvesting some cassava, and it's really not that easy to become a farmer. So let's support them,
Can I see
guys.
what you've got there? Okay, look what he got. Yay! Okay, let's try this. Look what he got.
Sure enough, doing that takes a lot of effort and perseverance, but it's definitely worth it.
Mama.
Kuya bay,
Show me your hand. Face hand review. Foot review. Ako But our sack is full already. The other one is open. Yay! Alright, we're done.
Presenting our harvested cassava. That's it, guys. It's time for us to go back home. I hope you guys enjoy our video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget a golden rule of traveling. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time, and bring nothing but lasting memories. See you on my next video.